guys, Andrew and James here at Urban Automotive. Welcome back to our channel. Here we got a GM product, 2.4 liter with what's getting to become more and more common. This thing had a heavy oil leak at the rear main seal, as well as an awful lot of condensation and all that within the PCV slash breather system. This thing just had loads of condensation coming out of the hole that goes to the air box here. A lot of oil vapor accumulation. What ended up happening, this thing has no more vacuum to the breather and PCV system. These things do get common for engine oil consumption. And what ended up happening here, we took a little pic to this here just to see, but this is the fixed orifice that creates the vacuum, which will suck out any oil vapors and stuff from the crankcase in the engine. This is all carbon closed shut, so it can't even pull in any oil vapors anymore. You can see some oil carbon accumulation in here, lots of carbon accumulation in the valves here. We will have to clean out this orifice here, clean out all the intake. And James, what else are we going to be doing to fix up this issue here?
So we're going to be properly changing all of these seals in here. So this is the rear main. We have also our valve cover and these ones for the intake. We're going to make sure to properly clean these all and have this clear and able to again do its job, so we won't be experiencing this problem again in the future. So we're just going to do all our due diligence and cleaning out the box in the intake and replacing all of these seals.
Ultimately, it's a pressure buildup within the crankcase that ends up having this heavy oil leak at the rear main seal. So if you've got one of these GM products with an issue like that, feel free to give us a call to shop. Urban Automotive.
Safety first. We are back with this GM 2.4 product. As you can see, we're cleaning everything up. We're getting ready for new gaskets, and we're in the process of cleaning out the PCV and breather system. So we have here in this air box, some people on the internet are recommending to drill a hole. We've got this breather hose, and they think that it'll let out the condensation, oil residue. If your PCV and breather system's working properly, you don't have to do that. You drill a hole, you might let in unmetered air, you might have a lean coat or a problem, something like that. Safety first.
Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive. Welcome back to the channel. Here on another part of this 2.4 liter rear main seal that's blown out. If you look at this over here on this side here, this is how the seal should be. But when the pressure builds up, you can see all around this back half here, the rear main seal, it's not blowing out, but it's trying to roll itself out, and that's where you're getting your oil leak, your oil accumulation. This new one here, you can see the ring on it as it should, but where the failure is it's trying to roll itself out on there. Urban Automotive, safety first.